Today I'll talk about mass, volume, specific gravity and density. First, mass and volume. What is mass? The quantity of matter in an object, that is called mass, typically measured in kilogram or gram or pounds. Now what is volume? The amount of space occupied by an object, so that is called volume, and typically measured in cubic meter or cubic centimeter or cubic feet, that is feet cube. So example of volume, so here a cube with each side of 2 centimeter has a volume of 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 centimeter cube. Now here this is a one cube. Okay, so drawing is not perfect. Okay, so this is one cube. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So now what will be the volume? So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter cube. Now density. What is the definition of density? So density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. So mass by volume is the density. The units are kg per meter cube or gram per centimeter cube or lbm per ft cube. lbm means pound mass per feet cube. Example, the density of carbon tetrachloride CCl4 is 1.595 gram per centimeter cube. So definition of density is mass by volume or mass per unit volume of a substance. Now here calculating mass and volume using density. So now here suppose density and volume is given. So how do you calculate mass? So we know that density is mass by volume. So mass will be rho into V. So that is here. So now one example. So example, for 20 centimeter cube of CCl4 density is 1.595 gram per centimeter cube. Now what will be the mass? So this is nothing but volume and this is density. So now here, so now we know that volume into rho, so that is volume is 20 centimeter cube and rho is 1.595 gram per centimeter cube. So mass is 31.9 gram. So now we know that that mass is unit, so centimeter cube, that is volume, and the rho is gram per centimeter cube. So that will be cancel out, that is gram. Okay, so mass is 31.9 gram. Now next is specific gravity. First definition, specific gravity is the ratio of density of a substance to the density of a reference substance, usually water at 4 degrees centigrade. So that is the definition of specific gravity. So specific gravity is the ratio of density of a substance to the density of reference substance. Usually we took the water at 4 degrees centigrade. So here expression Sg or SPG, sometime SPG is nothing but rho of that particular substance divided by density of water, and so both has unit that gram per centimeter cube or here gram per centimeter cube. So that will be cancelled both sides. So that's why that unit of that Sg, specific gravity, dimensionless, no unit. Now here one example, if the specific gravity of liquid is 2, okay, because here no unit, that then the specific gravity dimensionless, what will be the density? So now density will be, so Sg is nothing but rho of water. Okay, so rho will be Sg into rho of water. So now here you can see, so this is Sg and this is rho of water, so that will be 2 gram per centimeter cube. Is it correct? Yes, that is, if you put that, so that will be 2000 kg per meter cube. Now 2000 kg mean what? That is 2000 into 10 to the power 3 gram. Now what will be the meter cube? Now we have to convert 1 meter to centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So now, so 2000 into 10 to the power 3 gram, and meter cube is, so 1 meter cube means 100 cube, that is centimeter cube. Now from here we can get this is 2 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, and if we convert in pound mass feet cube, so that will be 125 pound mass by feet cube. For that we must know 1 gram is equal to how much pound mass and 1 centimeter is equal to how much feet. Now specific volume is the reciprocal of the density. So specific volume is the volume occupied by unit mass of a substance. It is the inverse of density. So that specific volume, so that is V, is nothing but volume by mass. Okay, we know the rho is nothing but mass by volume. So specific, so this is specific, we can write like that. So that will be this is volume and this is specific volume, so that will be nothing but 1 by rho, and unit is meter cube per kg, centimeter cube gram, or foot cube per lbm. Now example, if a liquid has density 2 gram per centimeter, so what will be the specific volume? So 1 by 2 centimeter cube per gram, so that is 0.50 centimeter cube per gram. Now here is a one numerical problem. So suppose specific gravity is given, okay, so that is 0.50. Now what will be the density? So density we know, so if that the specific gravity is given, what will be the density? So Sg we know, so that is rho by rho of water. So now what will be the rho? So Sg into rho of water. So that we can easily get that 0.5 into that rho of water 1 gram per centimeter, so that is 0.50 gram per centimeter cube. Now specific volume, so that is 1 by 0.50 centimeter cube per gram, so that is 2.00 centimeter cube per gram. Now density in that lbm by feet cube, so that conversion factor is here, so that is here that gram per centimeter cube to lbm, so that will be 61 gram per centimeter cube is nothing but 62.43 lbm per ft cube. So that is here 0.50 into 62.43 lbm per feet, so that is 31.215 lbm per ft cube. Now mass of 3 centimeter cube of liquid, so here volume is given, volume is 3 cm cube is given. Now what will be the mass? Now we know that rho is equal to mass by volume. So here mass will be rho into V. So rho is given here and this is V. So now 3 into 0.5, so that is mass will be 1.5 gram. Now what will be the volume of 18 gram? So here again, so volume will be what? Mass by rho. So now here, so here that 18 gram, so that is mass, okay, and this is, so mass into specific volume, so that is mass into specific volume. Specific volume is, that is 2.0 gram per cm, or you can do mass by density, so that is also fine, you will get. So even that, if you do that, so mass 18 by density is 0.5, so we will get 36 centimeter cube. So here mass and this is specific volume, okay. So that's it. Thank you.